How to see your Roblox application time in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find the watch time or the screen time of your Roblox application within the application itself. So although there are two methods of utilizing the same, the first one is either using the Android interface itself or using the Android features, and the another one is using the built-in Roblox mechanism. So all of both of the results are actually the same, but in this particular video I will be guiding you through the in-app method. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is click onto the app icon and open up your Roblox application. And once the application appears, you need to click onto this more button at the bottom right, and the moment you will do this, you will be landed into a new page. From here, click onto settings, and under settings click on privacy and content restrictions. Once you will do that, and you will be landed into the privacy and content restrictions, you can see in this page the second option that says screen time. So simply click on this screen time button, and from here you will find your screen time. So you can see this for a 7-day average as well. So by utilizing and by studying these, you can find out your daily or average screen time. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.